Mama Mita, and today my video is about how to check your van on your weight. You want to make sure that you open the doors and you just carefully look and get a visual look and thinking about how much weight you got and in your van, because that is really important for saving gas. Right now, gas prices are really up, and there looks like it might even go even higher. So we want to make sure that we don't carry too much stuff that's maybe unnecessary. So when I'm looking at my van, what I did is I took in consideration that I'm riding on this side of my van, okay? So I'm 190 pounds. So I've got 190 pounds here. And then back here, I've got this big toolbox that's full with a lot of heavy food items and stuff, you know, like flour and some pasta and rice and stuff like that, and all that, and then I've got some glass stuff like vinegar and things like that. So it kind of weighs a lot. I would say a good guess it's weighing at least 50 to 60 pounds. So you add that up, you know, and you got some weight on this side, okay? Then I've got my charger, that's 3 pounds, and my solar panel's 3 pounds. Then if I come back here in the back and I take a look back here, I've got these two items here. This here is my clothes, and this is some weight here too. This is probably the heaviest one of the dressers, the plastic dressers. It's the heaviest one. And then I've got this one over here. That's my kitchen box.
So what you're saying is that basically the more stuff you have in here, the more gas it will take.
Yes, you would be like, you really want to just take what you have to take, okay? Then underneath these two dressers, I have a big compartment, the whole trunk. I took out my 2 chairs that was there to save more weight. Basically, I took out all the chairs and just left my driving chair and the passenger side. That saved me 350 pounds in weight by taking those out. Okay?
How much do you think?
Okay, so I leave that on that side, and then I take these two and I leave them on this side also. And I haven't had any problem about them moving around as far as like falling over stuff. But if I felt that I was having a problem with that, I could take this and just pull it back, because this is pretty heavy and it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so I've got the bed. The bed is made from wood, and basically it's just one sheet of plywood that's cut 28 by 6 feet long, and then the 2x4s that are holding it up. And so I keep that there, all right? And so I don't move these over. I just leave them because the bed is really not that heavy, but the dressers are. But where the weight comes in is a little bit underneath the bed, okay? So underneath the bed, I have this one box, which has the milk, the almond milk, and so it's kind of got some weight on it. So you want to take in consideration of the weight that you're carrying now. And then up in the front, I've got the cab commander, which that's pretty heavy because it's got the maps and stuff in it. So if I felt like maybe I want to move this, then I could take something and put it over there in exchange, you know, just to kind of even it out. You want to make sure that everything is pretty even. Plus I will have some water up here too, but I can take the water and I can move it back in that area back there. So when you're going to put this together, you want to look and make a visual look and make sure that the car is not like that or going this way, because that's very important, that all the weight is even around the car and not put too much weight, because that too much weight is going to be eating on the gas. And if you're going high speed, you don't want to be doing that, because then you're really eating the gas. So that concludes my video for today. Thank you very much, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, please. Bye now. Okay, how was that?
It's a high five.